A quick update on VELO protocol here. So VELO is still holding up here. It remains to be seen in the future what's going to happen with this one. I mean, the fact that it came out and it completely died here, this is technically a rising wedge pattern here on the macro. So that could tell us it's going to just drop and go back all the way down. But if we get over some key levels here, then this thing may shoot to the upside. It is making higher highs and higher lows. So we will see what happens with it. You are down below the 382, so no longer bullish. But like I said, you are back at the bottom of the trend here. Depending on where you want to draw this thing at, we're either trying to break it or we're holding it, as you can see. It just depends. Like I said, let me see. Let me draw this to wick, and let's see if we're going to catch some sort of support on the downside here. So if we draw this here, maybe it's hitting the middle, and we'll draw a fib going from the most recent low here to the high and see what it kind of tells us down at the bottom here. So as you can clearly see, we still have room to go down below 1.3 here and possibly tag the 786 and tag the bottom line here on that pattern. So you could still drop about 30% plus down to this 1 cent flat area on VELO before you get a bounce back to the upside. But like I said, it's depending on where you're going to draw this thing at. We could draw it up here and say we're at the bottom. So if you hold 1.3, so be it. The next big move up and the next short move up, of course, to be bullish is back over 2 pennies. And then if this thing's going to come back to the top of the pattern here, the 0.5 would be up next. The 236% move up to 4.5. To that 0.5, and you're going to hit resistance, of course, here, unless it's going to break out. That's your breakout point. If you can get up and get over 4.5 to 5 pennies, then you can be bullish on VELO with the confirmation over about 11.5 to 12 here. And then if that is going to play out to the upside, we cover it all the time on the channel here, so stay tuned and we'll see what happens with it. But a 786 retracement from where you are today up to about 45 cents would give you a 32x on this thing. And then if you think this thing's going to shoot to the moon and go a lot higher than this, we do have the official 1272, which is a massive move. You can see that if it comes up here and makes a slightly lower high, then you're getting 142x on this thing. But if it shoots up and hits $21, and I'm not saying it's going to, but that's about 150x from where you are right now. So we'll see what happens in 2025 for VELO protocol here. And as always, comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.